Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is the 9th of April 2025 and the top news in crypto is as follows. Today we will start with our institutional news and go to BlackRock, where we learned that it will use digital Anchorage to store its Bitcoin and Ethereum. Specifically, it is a bank of digital assets that operates like a normal bank, but allows the bank to hold crypto for customer accounting. So as far as we know, BlackRock, besides Coinbase, will also use this bank to store the Ethereum and Bitcoin it holds from its two ETFs. And staying with our institutional news, we move on to XRP, where we learned that the US will acquire its first XRP ETF, which was released by the company Teucrium. They revealed to us the Teucrium 2 times long daily XRP ETF, which, as you already understand, is an ETF with 2 times leverage in a long position. This particular one was already released yesterday on April 8th, and the management fees will be 1.85%. So from the first XRP ETF in the US, we continue with news about Ripple, the company that builds XRP, where we learn that it has bought prime broker Hidden Road for $1.25 billion, making this purchase one of the largest we've seen in the crypto market. Ripple tells us that it made this purchase in order to serve a wide range of institutional customers on a larger scale. This company offers a lot of financial services that are mainly aimed at institutional clients, such as title lending, account management, custody services, and more. The company clears about $3 trillion annually across all markets, and according to them, it has more than 300 institutional customers. And because XRP and Ripple are aiming for the institutional, in theory, this is a very good purchase. Moving on with XRP, we turn to Standard Chartered, which made another prediction for the future, obviously about XRP, saying that XRP could exceed Ethereum by 2028. The main reason for this increase seems to be XRP adoption and the rise of cross-border payments, which XRP wants to specialize in and dominate for its customers. Continuing with XRP, beyond that prediction, we note that Ripple made a short video of 50 seconds where, in very simple words, they say that tokenization is amazing, and by 2033, the capitalization of tokenization as a market will reach $18.9 trillion. However, in the first 3 seconds of the video, as you can see, the emblem of Cardano appears. So many assume that there is a very big cooperation between Ripple, XRP, and Cardano. There is no official announcement, it's all speculation. Since we've touched on Cardano, let's move on to Charles Hoskinson, the co-creator of Cardano, who told us that the union of Bitcoin and Cardano will happen from May 27th to 29th at Bitcoin 2025, one of the biggest events for Bitcoin. A demo will be presented showing how people who hold Bitcoin will be able to use the Cardano ecosystem to use their Bitcoins easily, quickly, cheaply, and simply in some DeFi protocols to earn extra money. As we have analyzed in previous episodes, this will bring additional liquidity to the Cardano ecosystem, which currently has almost none, and will also bring added utility to Bitcoin. This is very positive for Bitcoin's price, since greater utility tends to support higher value. And now that we're done with Cardano, we move on to our meme coins, and we go to the company Bioscience, which combined ancient DNA from a species of wolf that disappeared more than 10,000 years ago to bring back to life the so-called dire wolf in free translation. This is a genetic company based in Texas. Let's just say that I made these 3 puppies. 2 of them are on your screen right now. And of course, the crypto market did its miracle again, as there are a lot of meme coins on the subject of this species of wolf. One meme coin reached $13.6 billion in capitalization. And then, like every good meme coin that respects itself, it basically did a rug pull, and its price has dropped a lot, as you can see. And we came to go to our typical crypto market, with Bitcoin not being happy at all at $76,000, with the price probably wanting to go down more and more. Let's say that the price is negative because the traditional markets are still in the red. The American markets, as you can see, have closed since yesterday in the red, but the Asian markets are also in the red. And the most important thing that all traders in the world are afraid of is Mr. Trump's tariffs. As we said in our last episode, Trump wants to put more tariffs in China, and China had until yesterday to cancel the tariffs in America. So theoretically, since China has done absolutely nothing, today we expect the official announcement from Mr. Trump that he will put more tariffs in China, resulting in the tariffs, if he does what he says, reaching 104%. So that's why the markets are not happy at all. That wraps up the top news for crypto. Today is the 9th of April 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.